In this lecture, we'll know about the status bar. So here in the bottom of the screen, we can see that the ready button, ready, it's written ready. So this is the status bar. So here in this status bar, so it will show the some status, some conditions of your data. So here I have written entertainment. So look, it's written in caps, all caps. So here in the status, it will show that caps lock, you know. So these sorts of data, so there are so many things to be shown on this status bar. So right click here, you can see the cell mode, flash fill black, flash fill changed cells, signatures, caps locks, fixed decimals, and many things. Whatever you want to see here, you can tick mark. If you want to see the overtype mode, then it will show tick here. So you can see many things here. So from this column, if we select these things, then in the status bar you can see that the average, count, maximum, the sum, it will show the status of this specific box. So here this one is this button, here is normal. It will show that it's in normal view. So this one is the page layout. So after clicking here, you can see that the page by page layout. This one is page break. So like page 1, page 2, from these like that. So here the zoom in and zoom out. So here is just 84%. So if you want to zoom out like this is 100%, 162. Or if you want to reduce the zooming, then it will show in different percentages. So there are many things here to learn in Excel. So let's go to the next class to learn more.